Hey, what's up guys? This is Oscar. We're back again with another video. We're going to show a box for two JL12 TW3s, a little subwoofer box you worked on. And y'all have any questions, y'all can ask, comment, and please subscribe if you have not. We're about to show you the box, guys, and that's it right there. We're about to give you a walkthrough. Thanks, guys. If you want to use any of these templates, you can go to mobilesolutions.com, USA.com, and use coupon code OAD at checkout. And they have lots of tools you can use, glues, router bits, accessories, tapes, and they also have schools and training every few months. So y'all just use that coupon code if you have anything. Thanks, guys. Okay, here we go. So this is a box we just worked on. It's for under the seat. We have it elevated. We have a can on the bottom so you can see what it looks like on the bottom. But this goes under the seat. This is the side of it right here, side profile. This is the top of it. It's carpeted. So we're gonna go back a little bit. We put the customer wanted his logo, so he put his logo in the box. So that's how that looks. That's his company. He wanted that, so he put that in the design on it. This is how it looks on the bottom. It's for two JL12 TW3 shallow mounts. But this is how it looks on the bottom. Is when y'all see that. And it's wrapped in vinyl. The front and the sides, the top is usually carpet, the bottom is all carpet, and the back is carpet. That's how we usually do these. Some guys leave the bottom bare, but it just depends. But you know, it really doesn't make a difference on the sound, but that's how the box looks. It is ported. So we're gonna move this drink right here. Hold on. Okay, we're back, and we removed the drink, so the box is flush. So the enclosure is around 2 inches from the floor to where the subs are. That's about the space in right there. That way the subs have room to, you know, perform and make some noise, make some bass. This is a side profile how it looks. You can kind of see it. We're gonna show the top profile. That's how the top looks. There you go. Now we're gonna work our way around, and we gotta move this chair right here. We're gonna move that chair right there, and this is a side view. It is ported. We designed this port. It's tuned to 34 hertz. It should be playing everything. We made these before for ourselves as tests. Not this pretty, but just just a raw build, just so we see how it sounds, performs. And we usually follow JL's specs. 99% of the time we follow, whether the manufacturer says, unless the customer wants something a little different, but we follow what the manufacturer says, and usually the speaker performs, great. That's what the subwoofer wants. That's how we tune the port, and we did this one to 34 hertz. So it's pretty musical. We use like a speaker mesh right there. That's for the so nothing can fall into the port. And that's the side profile how it looks. It does not stop any of the performance. It is still loud. The air still moves. We've done this, I've done this in my blow through. I've done several tests using this material. But that's how it looks like when nothing falls into the port. It looks a little cleaner and better like that. But that's how the box looks. Okay, so we're gonna go up. And that's the top view. But thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, y'all can ask. And like I said, just comment. If you're new here, subscribe, watch a video or two. But I appreciate it guys, really means a lot. And like I said, so just ask. And you know where to reach us at. Excuse the mess over there, we're remodeling. You know where to reach us at. You reach us right here. If you have any questions, I can ask a question. We are in Corpus Christi, Texas. We do ship stuff. That box is going to get packaged and shipped. We're going to ship that enclosure to the customer. And just enjoy it. Enjoy the video. Comment if you have questions, and we will get back to you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.